Nintendo Switch is the home console you can take on the go. You can stay up to date on all things Nintendo with the news feature. Right when you start the system or wake it from sleep mode, featured articles appear on screen, highlighting the latest updates from Nintendo. You can also find news right here on the home menu. It's your destination for game news and trailers, behind-the-scenes info, and more. When viewing sales and promotions in the news section, you can click straight through to Nintendo eShop, which is also located here on the home menu. It's your one-stop shop for browsing, buying, and downloading software. Nintendo eShop is constantly updated with new games for every type of player. If you already have a Nintendo Network ID, you can merge any funds you have in that account with your Nintendo account and use them across all of your Nintendo systems. You can search for content and apply filters to find just the right type of game. You can even download games during sleep mode. Switch and play. Nintendo Switch.